The reason why they're spreading fear is because they know now, for example, if you talk about Crow, it's clear on the chart pattern. I've been talking about this on my Discord for so many times. I personally have seen that it is going to come down to 0.02. It's not secret. I can tell you that this 30 days ago I saw all of this thing happening, and it was all on the monthly time frame. Again, just like you have Bitcoin with a bear flag to go to $8,000, you have these 3 black crows and a bear flag to go all the way down to 0.02, which is actually crypto.com at the moment. Okay, so I'm actually going to make an update on crypto.com to talk about this one. By the way, let me just talk about crypto.com in here very quickly, because it's important. People think that, hey, crypto.com, why is it going down? The news is coming. Yeah, it's coming and spreading. But I saw this back in September, and it was a very clear bear flag that you're popping out of. And if you take the top here to the bottom right there, you're looking to actually drop down to 0.0277. Now, is crypto.com going to be in danger or something like that? I think it's nothing more than spreading fear. Maybe FTX isn't really good, but I wouldn't say the same for crypto.com, because the partnership they have with different sports industries is huge. I mean, they have a really good reputation at the moment, but we cannot depend on all reputation. But my personal take is that this is quite a solid exchange for me. And they know that people haven't been buying crypto.com up here when it was up there, and they're trying to spread fear so that the prices can move all the way to the downside. And the only way to get money from you, the only way they can get you to sell, is to spread fear so that they can buy cheap once again down there and probably sell it off there. So when they want to actually convince you to buy, they give you all those green candles and they give you good news in the media. And when they want to buy cheap from you, they give you bad news and they dump it with red candles to spread even way more fear. And personally, for me, fear is the greatest currency ever invented. So yeah, I'm actually going to be bullish when it goes down there. Of course, with the precautionary measures, with some proper money management and investing what you wish to risk, because again and again I always say that crashes in crypto are amazing. I love crashes, I love fear and FUD. That's when I know it's really an amazing time to invest. It's all about psychology of the market. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin and Crow. Just for comments there. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.